fellow vintage lovers. I went to two estate sales over the weekend, and this is the first one I went to. So this is going to be a two-part series of my estate sale adventures this weekend. This video is going to showcase some reseller mistakes I made. I did find some really amazing pieces, but I was tired and I got too excited about things. So I'm going to be really real in this video and tell you guys, some tricks, tips, I guess you could say, on what to do and what not to do. I don't know, if you're like me and you see something like a family of lusterware Scotties and there's a ton of people at the estate sale and they're looking at the same curio you are, so you reach in and grab them and put them on the whole table without realizing part of the mama's back leg is missing. I wish I had actually taken the time to check that out. I did still get a good deal on this mama dog and her two babies. And to be honest with you, you can't really tell that that leg is missing. Look, even on that side, you can't tell. It's just like there's a scratch on part of the inner leg. I also stupidly picked up two candy dishes, or, well, compotes or candy dishes that didn't have tops. I don't know how I did that. One was this Westmoreland piece, and the other was this Anchor Hocking piece. I don't know what I was thinking. If you look at the shapes, it's pretty obvious that there are tops missing. Oh, also this Fenton Moonstone. I believe the top is missing from this too. Boy, do I feel stupid. I also grabbed this Artmark vase and was so excited because of the poppies and the whole aesthetic. I didn't turn it around fully to see that. There's a hairline crack, but this is staying with me. I absolutely love it. And if you watch my channel, you know I love Asian design. So that's fine. But I wish that I had been paying more attention. I do have to admit, this house was very dark. Like I said, people were pushing each other around, seriously. I got there when it opened at 10 a.m. and everything was 50% off, so a lot of people were there. And I just got too excited, and I do not want other resellers to make mistakes I made. So like I said, this is going to be an honest and real video. There are some cool things I got, of course, but I did stupid things at the same time. Okay, the first thing I got is this beautiful heart embroidered pillow. It's an off-white, or it's actually a beige color. It's in great shape. It's really pretty. There's a couple of spots there on the back that I need to clean up, but I just thought this was lovely. So this is probably not a mistake. I'm sure someone would love to have this Victorian style pillow in their collection because it's awesome. But okay, this is Fenton Westmoreland, and it's beautiful, as you can see, but it's a candy dish and it should have a lid. I personally would use it as a trinket dish. You could put jewelry in it. I think it's still lovely, but it should have had a lid. Granted, I didn't pay much for it, so that's okay. I may be looking for the lid for myself in the future, or I may sell it without the lid. I haven't decided yet, but that was stupid of me. I mean, you just look at this and you know there should be a lid. I did pick up this flower frog, which if you watch any of the live sales on YouTube for vintage items, you know that flower frogs are very desirable right now, so that was good. I believe this was good too. This is a set of panels, Southwest design, and you have Cocopelli and a gecko and maybe peacock, a bear. It looks like, oh, this turtle's cute too. Native American, maybe Zuni type design, and they're all in here. It is complete. And the original price tag was $7.95. Of course, that's not what I paid. I'm not going to go through and open these right now. I think this was a good deal, and I may keep some of these panels. I might keep all of them to use for decor and props when I'm taking photos. I also picked this up, and I think this is really cool. The frame is awesome. It's in great shape. It is very old frame. And I believe these are pomegranates in this picture. I just thought this was lovely, and I love the frame. So that wasn't a mistake. On to a couple of small mistakes. I love owls, as you know, and I collect them. So I got really excited when I saw this brooch. This is an actual stone here. I'm not quite sure what it is, but I did not notice there is one rhinestone missing here up top. When I purchased this owl, I was just so excited to get him. You know, it could easily be fixed. I could, I'm sure, find a little blue rhinestone to put in there, but I sure wish I had noticed. I might not have gotten him. I don't know, I probably would have, if I'll be honest. I also got this adorable gold tone poodle brooch, and it looks to be complete. I'm not sure, there probably was a stone here in the nose area, but maybe not. It looks like he's intact otherwise, and look at that. Such mid-century realness. I absolutely love this. So pretty. This brooch also is amazing. This brooch is large, as you can see, and it does have some movement in it. The flower part actually moves when you pick it up, which is so cool. I love the enamel detailing. I love the colors. I don't believe there are any rhinestones missing in this. So that's just beautiful. I mean, it makes up for the owl and the possible rhinestone missing in the poodle's nose. Again, I may just go ahead and fix that. I'm not sure. Another good buy was this. This is an old travel set. As you can see, it has embroidery, and it's a brush. And when you open it, there's a manicure set, there's a sewing needle, there's thread. I'm not going to open this video, but this is really cool. And I did run comps on these, and these run for about $40 or $50, so that was a definite good buy. I also picked this up. I have to admit, I am not a knitter. I'm not crafty really in any way, but when I saw this, I got it because this is intact. It's called a knitting knob, and the manufacturer is Pollyann. The graphic on this box is incredible, but the knob is actually in here. Looks like there's some knit in there as well. The instructions are in there. So that's a definite good buy, I think. I also picked up this book from 1970, Antiques and Curios. This is like a price guide. I didn't know they had price guides like this back in 1970. But, you know, it's got pictures. It's just really cool. And I figured this would be good for, you know, a resource for me for finding out about vintage and antique items. So I think that was a good buy. This is a child's book from 1973, and I thought this would be good for junk journaling. The graphics are just really nice. Look at these animals. Look at the owl. So this is a good buy. This isn't a mistake at all. I also picked this up. Now, I believe this is 2 fabric panels that would go onto a pillow. Not 100% sure about that. The instructions are here, it looks like, but I got it for the graphic. You know, look at this 1970s, late 60s graphics. I mean, it's so cool. I just love it. I love the animals, of course. The other side, you know, this would be the back side, so the zoo lettering is backwards. But it's so cute. I just love this. I'm sure someone will appreciate this as much as I do, so I don't think that was a bad buy. And an owl, in reality, is never a bad buy for me. If no one wants it, I do collect them, and I do not have this guy. He's a resin, and he has really pretty, shiny, I think they're plastic, but he has really pretty, shiny plastic eyes. I thought he was just cool. I got another owl today, too, and it was this guy. He's very cool as well. Also resin. I like how he's kind of looking to the side. He's heavy and bigger than the other one. Look at that. He's so cool. Okay. I also picked this up just because it made me giggle. This is obviously a monk, and he's making wine. Check that out. I don't think this is vintage. Well, maybe it is. I do see it's made in Taiwan, so maybe so. I'll have to do some more research. I haven't researched much on anything, just to let you know. I think, I did already show these Lusterware dogs. I'm glad the puppies are intact. I'm just sad that the mama is missing part of her leg. Oh, I also picked this up. We're having a Christmas in July sale, myself, Jen, and Gina, in July. Of course, no date set yet, but this is a great piece of ephemera. There's some paper stuck on it. It has ideas for how to decorate and design your home for Christmas. Look at this. This is so cool. So I think that's a good buy as well. Let's move on to maybe a couple more mistakes. Okay, this is not a mistake. This was just a brass horse. You know, I still love boho and brass, and I think other people out there do too. So that's not a mistake. I believe these aren't either. These are made in Japan, and I believe they're chins. Chin dogs, the breed. They're in pretty good shape for their age. And I just think they're so cute. And they have the Japan marking on the bottom. I think the mama does too. Yeah, she does. It's just kind of hard to see. They're in good shape. I don't see any chips or scratches on those three. They could be spaniels of some type too. I have not researched them. Then we have these brown Scotty dogs or terriers. And they have the chain, which of course everyone wants them still connected. They're not connected, as you can see. But they're so stinking cute. Look at them. You know, I don't think that was a mistake. I knew that the chain was not connected and I still purchased them. Okay, so this pretty green bowl. This is another candy dish, and this is anchor hocking. Most of the anchor hocking designs in green are more of an avocado green. This is a very bright green. For a minute, I thought maybe it glowed, but it did not. I bought this just because I thought it was a cool bowl, and I was thinking about, I don't know, trinket dish, but this is missing a lid. I believe I already showed I showed this art mark with the chip. I picked this up. This is just an amber art glass piece, I believe. I haven't dug further. You know, it does have this diamond point here, but I don't think this is Indiana glass. I think this is just kind of an art glass bottle. Not 100% sure, but I will definitely find out. You know, I love amber and boho, and I thought the design was unique, and that's why I got that. This is really cool. I don't know much about it. I did a little bit of digging on the internet, and it is pressed glass. And from what I can tell from Google Images, it does not have a top, so that's good. I saw people listing it as a compote or a planter. I guess it could be either one of those. I just thought it was really pretty. It is a little bit more of the avocado green. But I didn't notice it was pressed glass. You know, I probably still would have bought it anyway, but I don't know, man. I think I need to get new glasses or just pay more attention to what I'm getting. I just get so excited. I can't help myself. Okay, this is definitely not a mistake. This is a really cute purse. I have not dated it yet, but to me it looks kind of 50s, 60s. It is in excellent shape. I don't know if I can open it while I have my phone in my hand. Probably not. But it's clean on the inside. There is no tag on this. It's just a really cool purse, and it's in excellent shape. It's patent leather. I believe it's real leather as well, and I love the gold detailing here. Okay, I also picked up this scarf, and the scarf is probably a good buy as well. There's no tag, so I'm not sure who made this. I don't believe it's actual silk, but that's okay. I just thought it would be beautiful as a decoration for your bedroom or wherever you want to put it. I mean, you could actually wear it, but I thought it'd be cute as a scarf dresser. A dresser scarf. Gosh, I need sleep. So we had 2 sales yesterday, and we did a live haul on Friday. So Jen, Gina, and I are pretty tired today. It was so much fun, though. We had a great time, and thank you to everyone who came in, even if you just came in to say hi. We really enjoyed it. I picked up these for myself. These are gift cards. They're Impressionist, and there's Degas on the front. I just picked this up because it was a good deal, and I love actually writing to my friends. And I thought it would be good as package toppers as well. So I did go ahead and get that. I don't think that was a bad buy. And I went ahead and got this fabric just for staging and for props for when I'm taking photos. I only have a few pieces of fabric that I use, so I was glad that I picked that up. I think it's cute. This bag is really cool as well. This is the brand Tony, and I did a little bit of research when I was there. That's actually... The bag is not dirty. I tried to clean it. But I believe this is Tony Federici. I'm trying to get the tag to show that it's not. There we go. And this is definitely real leather. I need to clean it better, but it's in great shape. This is obviously a 70s bag, like a messenger bag or a crossbody bag. So I don't believe this was a bad buy either. I thought it was cool, and I thought I would keep it myself if it wasn't something that anyone was interested in. I like the size, perfect for my favorite things, which are thrifting and going to live concerts. Okay, so this is my video. I hope you enjoyed me keeping it real and telling you the mistakes I made. Again, maybe they aren't that big of a mistake, but I was a little bit disappointed in myself. Maybe if I hadn't been so tired. Again, I could not see in that one house, and that was a big part of the problem. Oh, I forgot to show this. Okay, this is not a mistake. Can't be. This is a towel, embroidered towel of two dogs ice skating. It's in great shape, but how cute is that? That's where I'll end the video, on a positive note. I actually had a lot of fun. It's just, I wish I had thought to myself, should there be tops on those? Especially this Fenton hobnail moon glass piece. I mean, it could still be used as a soap dish or a catch-all for jewelry. I still love it, but I wish I had known. I wish I had noticed there should have been a lid. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. There will be a part 2 of my estate sale adventures over the weekend, and that will include the amazing poodle planter I found yesterday. And yes, I have decided to keep it. As Randy, Mr. E.L. Page said, it's kind of like a reseller's bag of honor, and I agree. Okay, thank you so much for watching, everybody. Hope you have a good Sunday. Rest of your Sunday, actually. It's almost over. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you don't already, and leave a comment. Also, reach out to me if there's something in this video that you're interested in. I'm happy to work with you so you can purchase it directly, or I can put it in a live sale. We do have live sales on Tuesday, and we've normally been doing them on Saturday morning. That may change. We're trying to figure out a slot that doesn't interfere with another seller, so our schedule may change a bit. But again, it's me, Jen K, and Gina at Vintage Digs. Okay, everybody, thanks again. Bye.